This is how you can make a delicious birthday cake without an oven. Start by prepping your cake batter. Today is my sister's birthday. I'm making her favorite orange-flavored chiffon cake with mango toppings. When making a chiffon cake, it is crucial to be very careful in folding the meringue. So just take it easy and don't overmix. We don't want the batter to deflate. We don't have an oven at home, so I improvised using a pot we don't use anymore. First, I layered an aluminum foil at the bottom. After, I added fine sand on it. In this setup, you will need charcoal on top of the pot and of course underneath it. From time to time, you need to peek inside using tongs. There's no fixed baking time since the heat is not controlled. Another option when you don't have an oven is steaming, but you won't get the golden brown crumbs. I am using whippet for the frosting. It's a non-dairy cream paste. This is perfect for those who can't master making Italian meringue like me. For 1 cup of whippet, you will need 9 tablespoons of cold water. I used Elaine's cooking and tips ratio. Check that video out. I will be linking it on the description box. I discovered this non-dairy cream paste in a Facebook group for home bakers. It's really a lifesaver. This frosting is just so smooth when you pipe it. Hassle-free and easy to prepare. It is very stable. It won't melt easily. Look at that beauty. You won't believe it's not made from the oven. Let's do crumb coating first. It's very important to be relaxed when frosting a cake. It is likely that your mood would reflect the result of your frosted cake. That's why I'm really trying to be relaxed when doing it to avoid disaster. Baking is indeed therapeutic. I'm using a 2D piping tip. Time to add the mangoes on top. My sister really loves the result. I made a bento cake just to practice frosting, but somehow it turned into an abstract design. And here's a simple feast for my sister's sweet 16th birthday. We had Filipino sweet star spaghetti, lumpia, humber, crispy pata, salmon and cake. I guess my cake is a success.